So y'all, it's like 11 something a.m. I just got sorted out. Y'all, I missed my first Amtrak train. So my friend had to help me find a bus. So the bus is supposed to be here, I think like 12:45 or something. So I'm just eating right now. Viva's sleeping and we're gonna board the bus. I guess I will record when I get on the bus. I'm gonna try to sleep and work on some YouTube stuff. But it was so tragic this morning. I was on time and I literally missed the bus by just like, let's just say like 5 minutes. Like I was in the right space, everything. I missed it by 5 minutes. But yeah, y'all. So right now I'm just eating from Sbarro. Like this is like the pizza you can only get like at malls and stuff. But I just got a salad and I got some pizza, and Aviva is here sleeping. And I'm just about to eat, and then after I finish eating I'll go back to the section where I have to actually board the bus. Because there's no seating up there, I'm gonna sit down here up until it's basically time for me to go. This turned into a road trip. This turned into a whole road trip. So y'all, I know it's not the best angle, but I was trying to turn y'all sideways and y'all was looking crazy. Update, it's like 3:40 p.m. Guess what I'm doing, y'all? Taking a road trip. I end up just deciding to drive out here to see my girlfriend. Y'all, when I tell y'all I missed that first Amtrak train, and then my friend was nice enough to help me book another bus, and they played me, and they better refund me, or they better let me use that to go see Carmen. They really tried to out here play me, but I'm driving to them now. My ETA is like 5:50 at the latest. I guess we're gonna go to her house first, and then I think we're supposed to go to Red Lobster for dinner because they supposed to have like $5 margaritas, and you know, Bubby in the back sleep. I know she tired, I'm tired, baby, we both tired. Like when I tell y'all, like it was just so stressful, I don't even want to talk about it. I'm listening to my gospel music. I'm like, you know what, we just finna have a little road trip with Jesus type of thing and chill. And it's a beautiful day to drive. Like I don't even know if y'all can really see how pretty and nice the weather actually is. Like it feels like spring right now, you know, and it hasn't really felt like that in Chicago lately. But y'all, I'm finna just keep driving, stay focused on the road. Y'all, I'm chilling, blessed, like period. And yeah, I guess I'll vlog as I go. Y'all know me, like when I go visit friends and family, yes, I do vlog a little bit, but it's not like I be trying to have a camera up in everybody's face. You know, I be trying to just enjoy my time with people while I still got these people around me, you know? So, yeah. There was a little BS going on earlier. Devil was busy earlier and stuff, but look, we made it out on top, period. So, y'all, I'm gonna just keep driving. I'll keep y'all posted. So y'all, I know y'all probably can't see me right now, but hey, I'm here. This my little camera. We just finished spending time with my girlfriend. We're actually finna go to the room, freshen up, and go to bed. It's like 10:32 p.m. right now, and yeah, I'll try to record as much as I can, whatever we're gonna do tomorrow. So I will see y'all tomorrow. So y'all, we finally settled into our room. I'm not really gonna show y'all the room. It's just like a basic quality in room. Y'all, I'm finna eat and pass out. I am so tired, y'all. Like, we'll just start back up the vlog tomorrow, y'all. Have a good night. Bye. So y'all, good morning. Bubby and I just did our hygiene. Today is Saturday. I'm just gonna open the curtains, y'all. Let me do that now because it seems like it's better lighting. No, I don't have a view, y'all, so I'm not finna show y'all how I look outside. Like I said, we just did our hygienes and stuff. We're finna go down and eat breakfast. That's the only reason why we're up so early. The lighting is hitting though. Fresh face, beautiful. Easy peasy, beautiful. What is it called? Cover girl, period. Like, Bubby's over there finishing up brushing her teeth. Like I said, the room ain't really nothing to show like that. That's the room. Spin around back this way. Yes, I had got this room with 2 beds, and I was like, if you gonna sleep in your bed, I'm gonna sleep in my bed. Like, yeah, look, you gonna sleep in your bed, I'm gonna sleep in my bed. So y'all, this is Bubby. I just gotta fix up her hair right quick. She's just finishing brushing up her teeth. And like I said, the only reason why we're up early is because breakfast from 6 to 9. They did leave us like some little coffee and tea and stuff. But knowing me, I'm gonna run through this. So, and I also brought like my own like drink mixes and like sugar and coffee and tea. So I did bring me some extra stuff. So I'm just gonna go down to breakfast and I'll let you guys know what we're gonna, like what they all have. That was the reason why I got this hotel. They have breakfast and they have a pool. So we're supposed to be hanging out with my girlfriend today. So y'all stay tuned.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as.
So y'all, we're going down to breakfast now. We gotta take the elevator. Me and Bubby. Breakfast time. Believe it's okay. The elevator's not that scary. I got you, baby. I got you. So y'all, we just came back down from breakfast. Well, came back up from breakfast. The bathroom is like the only place with really good lighting, so that's where I'm at right now. The breakfast, I'll show you guys, or I would have already showed you guys the breakfast. I'll also show you guys the picture that they have on their website. It's just like normal stuff like cereal, bread, egg, sausage. But the thing is, like with this hotel versus with some other hotels, they usually have it where it's like individually wrapped so you could take it upstairs, like the individual milk cartons, the individual cereal. They didn't have any of that. Everything was self-service. So whatever you wanted, you had to dispense and take upstairs. So we didn't really take much upstairs. I took some oatmeal up here, some coffee creamers, sugar, peanut butter, and jelly, just in case we want to have extras. I'll probably go down and get us some ice because I saw it was on the first floor. We have like a little ice bucket here, but honestly, we're just going to relax a little bit. I'm probably going to do a little bit of editing, and then we'll get ready a little bit later. So y'all, I am done getting dressed. This is what I'm wearing, just this blue sweater and these leggings here. I'm just waiting for my girlfriend to go ahead and finish getting ready and come over here. We're going to go to like the mall, check out some different stores, and just be outside, spend time, okay? So yeah, I'm waiting for her. Viva's over there sleeping right now. And yeah, I love the lighting here. Like, I have, oh, yeah, there we go. I have like the good lighting. So.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better.
So y'all, good morning. I'll put the date and time at the bottom. This is the next day. We're going home today for visiting my girlfriend. We just checked out. We checked out an hour early. Checkout is at 11, but we checked out at 10. We're gonna go load up on gas, get some little quick breakfast, and then we're gonna go head to my girlfriend's house, say bye to her and her baby, stay over there for maybe about an hour, and then we're gonna hop on the road. If I get too tired, I'm gonna go get a Red Bull too. If I get too tired, I'm gonna stop in my mom's house and just sleep there for the night, because she's like 45 minutes from my house. So if I stop there, then in the morning I'll just drive home, and I only will have 45 minutes because I'm already driving like 2 hours and 40 some minutes to get back even in my area. So yeah, we're finna go do that. Yesterday I don't know if I even came on camera and told y'all, we went to Olive Garden. We started our day kind of late. We got up and ate breakfast. We didn't leave out till like 1 p.m. We went to go to Olive Garden to go eat lunch, breakfast, brunch, whatever. I didn't really record in there because we were just talking and like, you know, just catching up and stuff. And then after that, we went to Target because my girlfriend had to get a couple things for her baby, and then I got Aviva a couple outfits out of there. And then after that, honestly, we were just tired and stuff. We went back to her house. And then a little bit after that, we went to go take a walk with the kiddos. You guys probably saw it if you saw the whole vlog already. Aviva's there in the back. Aviva, say hi to the vlog. She like, girl, back. Aviva. Aviva, come over here. Say hi to the vlog. Y'all see her right there. She said she peeking at y'all. Say hi. Y'all, she drinking her juice. So she like, girl, back. Anyways, so that's the prayer for today. And I will keep y'all posted with updates.
Better than yours, no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he